We take out the old mold, put a new mold here. Like this. Notice this area big. This area outside like this. And then we put steel and then push this mold in the machine. Then install the boots. Then adjustment the other parts. Push the new mold in the machine. Then adjust the holes of bolts. Then put bolts in the mold and machine. Head mold bolts not fasten first time. Those bolts have 4 bolts here, not fasten, because you should let the head mold insert the mold box. Then let vibration, let head mold insert the mold box. After the head mold insert into the mold box, fasten the boots. Okay, now we have the mold insert in the mold box. Then we can fasten the boots. Change the mold. 前面还不松，前面这地方不用松。Here, those boots, let this part down, and here, loosen, let it down, and this part also let it down. This is the mold box surface, and this one, the height, seam, all this one material trolley 1 millimeter higher than this mold surface.